Hi everyone, my name is Miftahul Jannat. My ID nong is 20240202000150. Today I'll present my findings on Gen Z's role in the 2024 Quota reform movement in Bangladesh. Abstract. The 2024 Quota reform movement came from long-lasting concern over the government's quota system for job recruitment, which many felt disadvantaged merit-based candidates. In my research, I focused on how Gen Z and tech-savvy and social active generation use digital platforms to drive this movement. My findings reveal that Gen Z used social media to build awareness, mobilize supporters, and put pressure on the policymakers, making them fair towards everyone. Now you can see in this introduction part, the quota reform movement is a significant chapter in Bangladesh's recent history, and it interests me because it highlights how Gen Z is defending activism. I wanted to understand how this generation use digital means like social media as their main form of engagement. My research aimed to explore how their online strategies contributed to the movement's visibility and impact. Review of existing research. Research by Islam 2022 on youth movements in Bangladesh focused on traditional activism, while Khan's 2022 highlighted the rise of social media in modern protest. My work builds on these studies by examining the Gen Z's unique tech-centered approach in recent movements. Gaps and research question. Existing studies often overlook the Gen Z's digital-first activism. This gap led me to ask how Gen Z's use of digital platform impacted the success of 2024 quota reform movement. In this slide, you can see my Google form where I made 5 questions to make a Google survey. Methodology. To collect the data, I designed a survey using Google Forms, targeting university students aged 18 to 25. The questionnaire focused on their involvement in the quota reform movement, their use of digital platform, and their perspective on the success of this movement. Conducting the survey online was efficient, but it limited responses to urban participants, potentially skewing the data. I used those responses from the Google form to make a spreadsheet. And then I took 2 questions from the spreadsheet to make this graph. Results. The first figure shows that 18 people said the answer is both, 2 people said the answer is street protest, and 3 people said that the answer is online campaign. The second figure shows that 17 people said the answer is very effective and 4 people said the answer is slightly. And if we converted the results in percentage, we can see the results in the slide. Discussion. My findings from Khan's research on digital activism power but differ from Islam's, which focused on physical protest. Gen Z online approach reflects a new direction of activism in Bangladesh. Conclusion. In conclusion, Gen Z's digital strategies were pivotal to the quota reform movement, signaling a shift towards a more digitally driven from the civic engagement in Bangladesh. Reference. Here is the 2 articles I took from different websites to compare. Thank you, ma'am.